Do learning styles serve our students? I don't believe so. Learning styles pigeonholes teachers into thinking there's only one way to teach to every student and makes students believe that there's only one way that they really truly learn. By either seeing the information, by being able to perform an activity or apply the information, or by hearing the information, which creates this whole dynamic of thinking there's only one way of doing things, there's only one way of learning, which is a huge misconception. We might all have preferences, like they said in the TED Talk, but honestly, I truly believe that in order to best learn, we need to see information so we know what it looks like. We also need to be able to apply the information, but we should also get some kind of instruction on how that information should be used and what it looks like. I think this is what truly creates meaning with our students as far as new concepts go, but I also think this is just a way in order for our students to see information in multiple different ways, so no matter what, they will be able to recognize the concept. And also by seeing it in so many different ways and so many different venues, then our students are also able to better remember the concept so that it'll stick out more in their mind and they're more likely to recall that information. Honestly, as teachers, we shouldn't be focusing on, teaching one way to one student. We should be focusing on how to help our students achieve, no matter how that is. Our number one goal is just helping our students to be able to learn. And so I don't think that we should be focusing on learning styles as a way to help our students to achieve. We should be focusing on giving them as much access to the information that we have as possible. So that means making it a sensory experience, engaging, them visually, engaging them auditorily, engaging them kinesthetically, engaging them in any way that we can in order to make the information have some kind of meaning in their life. And in that way, we are going to help our students be able to achieve and learn.